One of the biggest questions I get asked is if you have a limited ad budget, where should you put your ad spend? People ask me, they've heard a lot of people say, oh, go to Facebook ads first. Or maybe even other people say, just do organic, don't even do ads. And maybe you've even heard me talk about YouTube ads and why more and more, especially with Facebook costs rising, obviously you can't rely on organic. YouTube ads is the best place to go with a limited budget. But what I wanted to do is actually break it down and talk about why running YouTube ads is the best place to go when you're starting off with your advertising or if you have a limited advertising budget. And I'll give you a little bit of a spoiler. It all has to do with intent. Think about how YouTube works. People are looking up on YouTube, how to solve their problem. They want to, get more leads. They want to lose weight. They want to solve this problem. They want, to find this certain product or solution or coaching or consulting or whatever it happens to be. They have intent right now, and you can get your video ad in front of them when they're actually looking that up and they're in the learner's mindset. Versus over on Facebook and other platforms, they're all interruptions based. So if people are scrolling by on their feed on their phone, you might pop up as an interruption, but is that really the best use of your ad spend, just randomly popping up in front of people, even if they're in your marketplace, versus strategically targeting the right person at the right time with the right message on YouTube and reaching them right when they're looking up a solution to their problem? So what I'm gonna do is I actually wanna show you a clip from a recent AMA Ask Me Anything I did in our Facebook group where I talked about just this. Let's take a look. What can I do right away on retargeting pixels? Google, LinkedIn, Facebook, Pinterest, AdRoll. And you say you watched the entire webinar. It's amazing. I'm so glad you're getting so much value out of this. Absolutely. So I recommend setting up all of the different pixels that you have. It's really important that you get everything set up, because when you have that, then you can actually start building those buckets in each in each and every one of these different platforms. Now, the big ones that I would recommend, starting with is going to be Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. But you can still set them up on the other platforms as well. Now, the other platforms will also let you upload an email list. So that'll be valuable. So you can upload an email list. You definitely need to get Google set up so you can start feeding the Google tag with data, because that's the main platform that isn't going to allow you to upload that email list. So it's important, at least for the first 2 to 3 months, while they get some initial data, they prove you as like a verified advertiser. So what I would say is get the Google tag set up, get Facebook set up, LinkedIn set up. And I would also recommend the other platforms as well, like we talked about, but those are kind of the big ones that you want right off the bat. And again, feel free. I'm so glad you're getting a ton of value as well. Feel free to reach out to our team as well. And that's what we're here for too. That's what our process looks like, helping people set all of this up. But yeah, that's what I would recommend, getting all of that set up. And then starting out with those different types of campaigns. And we walk you through, obviously, in the webinar, here are the campaigns that we recommend. Here's what everything looks like. And if you want help with that, you can feel free to reach out. I'm so glad you're getting so much value. That's awesome. Hope you found this video valuable on YouTube ads and OmniPresent retargeting. If you want to learn how to implement this into your own business, see the links down below for our webinars and master classes on how to use YouTube ads and OmniPresent retargeting. When you're ready to schedule a call with our team, you can just go to adoutreach.com/apply to book your strategy call, where we're going to dive in, walk you through exactly how YouTube ads can work for your business, or OmniPresent retargeting can work for your business, and see if it is a good fit. There's a complimentary 45-minute strategy call. We're going to dive into everything with you on that call. In addition, if you are just looking to join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, you want to join our Facebook group, it's down there below as well. Thank you for watching, and I'm excited to show you even more content. Be sure to subscribe, like the video if you found it valuable, share it with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.